let's start the session for today. Meanwhile, others can join parallelly. So thank you everyone for attending the day 2 demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So yesterday we had the demo 1, and in the yesterday session, we have seen what is this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications is about, right? Like I have detailedly explained you what is this technology, who will be using this technology for what purpose in the real-time markets. And once we learn this technology, where we will be landing upon, like in which companies we will be working and what we will be working in that companies. That all we have seen, team, right? And then in the yesterday's session, we have seen, first of all, introduction to the ERP, like what is ERP and what are the different ERP products available in the market. We have seen, team. And then we spoke about Fusion applications evaluation overview, like what is Fusion application and what are the routes that were laid down by Oracle to come up with this product in the market. Like prior to Fusion applications, what are the existing ERPs we have in the market and how Oracle acquired them in which year. That all we have seen, team. And in which year Oracle introduced these applications in the market, that also have explained you. And then we discussed about types of companies involved, team, like who is the vendor, who is the client or the customer company, or who is the consulting company, and where we will be working in real time once we learn this technology. That all we have seen in types of companies involved, right? And then we spoke about Oracle Fusion environment releases, like when Oracle introduced the product, what is the version that Oracle introduced their application, and since then, what is the evaluation of these application. I told you R13 is the latest version of the Fusion application. And I also told you what is the upgradation policy that yearly Oracle following, quarterly upgradation policy, and how the versioning sequence Oracle following every quarter. These all things we have discussed in our yesterday session, team, right? And then I explained you Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Application modules, like what all comes under functional side of the application, what comes under technical side of the application, and where we will be requiring any prior SQL or PLSQL knowledge, right? These all things we discussed yesterday, team. And also I introduced it to you what sort of roles that we will be working once we learn this technology in the real time, and what are the high demandable roles in the market. Correct? I told you techno-functional consultant roles will have more demand. And then we discussed the course curriculum, team. As part of this program, what all components that we are going to cover in this 3 months duration program, that all we have seen, team. So yesterday, I didn't got the time to cover these concepts like Oracle Knowledge Repository and Oracle Certification Process, team. So let us talk about these two things, and then I will introduce to you the Fusion applications, like how the Fusion applications will be accessible, that we will be seeing, team. And also I explained you yesterday what are the career opportunities in this technology. If you are a fresher or you are a non-IT experienced person, or you might be having any other prior experiences, if you learn this technology, what sort of opportunities we have and what are the pay rates average we are having with respective to fresher and with respective to experience, that all we have discussed yesterday, team. So today, to start with, I will be introducing to you Oracle Knowledge Repository. What is this Oracle Knowledge Repository, team? See, when you learning any technology in the marketing, we should have access to the standard documents that the company providing team. Now, this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications are providing or owned by Oracle Corporation. Correct. So, what are the standard documents in order to explore on this technology, where we can able to access them anyhow for every module? As I told you yesterday, you will be getting our own custom materials team. But if you want to explore Oracle standard documentations in the system, where we have to go? Many people will be in the assumption that only institutes like us who are partnered with Oracle, they only will have access to the Oracle standard documentation. No team. Oracle making their documents available openly for everyone in the market. The only thing is people don't know the right navigation where they should land upon. So I will introduce to you Oracle standard documents for this application team, because when you are working in the real time, if you want to refer any concepts in this technology, you can able to go and you can able to access that documents and you can able to learn from that team. And not only that, I told you yesterday, Oracle follows quarterly upgradation policy. Like every 3 months, Oracle providing upgradation to their application, I told you. And every 3 months, when Oracle upgrading the application team, they are coming up with new enhancements in the system, new functionalities, new features. As an implementation consultant, how I can be upskilled myself with the technology, how I will be knowing what new features Oracle bringing in every quarterly release, where we can go, that all you can able to be accessing in the Oracle's knowledge repository team. So I will first introduce to you that this is the first and foremost important thing everyone should know when you are learning something newly. Okay, where we have to go team, just go to any of your browser, it might be Google or Firefox, anything team, then just type as Oracle knowledge repository. Just type as Oracle knowledge repository. Then team, you will land upon this particular section team. Sorry. You no need to type as knowledge team. Just type as Oracle repository in your Google. Then the very first link that you will be landing upon team, fusionappsor.oracle.com. See, Oracle Enterprise Repository for Fusion Application Team. This is what I'm going to introduce to you now. Oracle's Enterprise Repository for Fusion Application. Click on that. Then you will be landing upon this page team. Once you land upon this page, come to search by product. Here you have cloud applications, on-premise applications. Click on cloud applications team. Why? Because ours is Oracle Fusion Cloud. So search by product, you choose cloud applications team. Then you will land upon docs.oracle.com. In order to access this page, did I logged in with my credentials? If I come here on the right side, anywhere, are you able to see that I logged in with Kumar or anything here? No. It means what? It is an open source. Anyone can able to access. If you have the laptops ready with you, you can able to follow my instructions now team. Come to docs.oracle.com. You will land upon this page, Oracle Fusion Cloud Application Suite. Okay, Oracle Fusion Cloud Application Suite. And here team, all the applications that what Oracle providing under Fusion, you can able to access them. Yesterday I told you, right? Under Fusion applications, Oracle offering several products like Oracle Fusion Financials, Oracle Fusion HCM, Oracle Fusion CRM, Oracle Fusion Supply Chain SCM, Procurement, PPM, different products Oracle offering team. But we are learning about HCM, which is a HR related software application. Here, when you come to this docs.oracle.com page, all the applications that Oracle providing under Fusion, you can able to see them. See, financials, accounting hub, procurement, project management. Then this is supply chain, SCM, and this is our product team. Come to HCM and click on human resource. Then you will land upon this page team. Here on the left hand side, we have a couple of options coming up. You go to all books here. Click on all books, right? And then team, you can able to view here, filter team, like you want implementation guides, administration guides, end user guides, or what manuals you want. I want implementation guides. Filter by implementation. Here you can see implementation related books. You can see team. All our modules, implementing absence management, implementing benefits, implementing compensation, global HR, payroll, help desk. In payroll, country specific documents again team. See, because localization will be there in payroll module. Then time and labor, whatnot. Every module you can able to access the books team. So here you can come. Let's say I want to check the global HR related document. I can click on this PDF so that I can able to access that document. See, implementing global human resource 24B, the latest version. All the detailed explanation of every concept you can able to find them. Even you can able to download this document also for your reference purpose team. See, this is a standard Oracle delivered document. But the standard documents are very lengthy. See, it's almost 400 pages document team. It's lengthy and vasty. But one or the other concepts, if you want to study or if you want to refer, you can able to come to these documents and you can able to download the implementation guides team. Then administration guides, user guides, end user transactional guides, that all you can filter, and all PDFs are readily available module wise team. So this is books, standard Oracle documents for all the modules to access in the system team. And then some of the videos also Oracle will embed just for information purpose team. Some of the new features that what Oracle bringing in the system, some short videos Oracle will embed. If you want, you can explore them as well team. Then the most important point here, what is that? Every quarterly upgrade, whenever Oracle upgrading their application. Recently, in the month of April team, in this month only, our applications upgraded to 24B. Second quarter we entered, correct? 24B. So as an implementation consultant, I should know what new features Oracle brings in this or what in this particular release team or in this upgrade team. Every quarter, you come to this docs.oracle.com. On the left-hand side, at the top left, we have cloud readiness and what's new, right? Go to this what's new team. And here, you can able to filter again, module-wise. First of all, product-wise, it will be ERP financials. This is supply chain, HCM, sales, all products. Expand HCM team. In HCM, all our modules are categorized under this. Human resource, if I expand. This is global HR module, help desk, benefits, compensation. All the modules I can able to check team. Go to human resource, right? Now human resource I selected, right? Under what's new, I can come to the human resource and I can click on HTML. Then team, I can able to land upon table of contents here team under what's new. See here, all releases you can able to see. The latest version is 24B update. Prior to that, last quarter was 24A. Prior to that, 23D, last year's fourth quarterly upgrade, 23C, 23B, 23A. You can able to check even the past quarters also, team. Now I want to check in 24B release what features Oracle brought in the application. Click on update 24B, team. Then you will land upon that upgrade screen. See, update 24B, right? On the left hand side, still my page is loading, team. On the left hand side, I can able to see okay, on the left hand side, if I click on global human resource, this is my module, team. See, these all are the new features that Oracle bought in this 24B upgrade. See, no defaulting of, if I select this, that feature with the explanation I can able to see. No defaulting of parent position for professional users. What is that feature? On which screen in the front end that feature will be available? Okay, everything I can able to check with a detailed explanation, team. Oracle will give that one. See, okay, what is that feature? On which screen? On which screen in the front end that new feature came? Everything you can able to find it out here. See, if you select this feature, team, on the left hand side, okay, see, list of values supported by selecting roles. So in the front end, on which screen that particular new functionality came in, that all you can able to check out, team. See, every feature with a screenshot and the explanation, team. Oracle will embed in the document. This is one of the most important thing every consultant should know, because every quarterly upgrade, when Oracle upgrading their application, team, what new features Oracle bringing in every module, you can able to explore and you can able to find out here, team. Because in real-time projects also, when we are working, every quarter when application upgrading, team, certain activities we will be performing. Like we will prepare impact analysis document to the client. See, these new features coming in this upgrade, there is no impact on our current functionalities. If we want to use new functionalities, we can use. Like that, we have to present to the client. And some testings and all we will be doing, team. That I will tell you in the workshop session on implementation and support projects, team. So this is how you have to explore what are the new features coming in every quarterly upgrade, team. So this is an open source that Oracle making available for every user in the market, team. You have to navigate in this way and you have to find, right? So this is about, team, Oracle knowledge repository accessing in the internet, right? And now I will talk about, team, Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications certification process. Because some of you was asking, even yesterday also, someone asked me, Kumar, what about the certification? How the approach will be for Oracle certification to apply? What is the cost incurred or what is the examination pattern? That all, team. So quickly, let me explain you what is the certification process that we have in this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications, team. Okay. What is the certification process, team? If anyone want to do certification, first of all, be in the understanding that if anyone want to do Oracle Fusion HCM certification, team, for the entire application, Oracle is not providing any certification, team. For the entire product, Oracle will not provide the certification, team. Within the application, we have different modules, right, team? We have core HR, we have absence, we have payroll, talent, goals, compensation, benefits. Module wise, Oracle providing the certifications, team. For the entire application, we will be not having any one common exam, team. For every module, whatever the modules we have, team, For every module wise, Oracle conducting the certification exam. So for core HR, we have the examination name like Oracle Global Human Resource Cloud Implementation, okay, implementation specialist. This is the examination name team for core HR module. And there will be a code for that, like IZO 1046/24. Now we are in 24 paper at 2 come. That is the code team. Then for absence module, we have Oracle Global Absence Management Cloud Implementation Specialist, Oracle Payroll Cloud Implementation Specialist. Like that team, for every module, Oracle conducting the certification exams team. What is the cost for each module to write the certification exam? How we can apply, first of all, team? See, Oracle partnered with a company called View Pearson team. Okay, View Pearson. This is a company which is an examination partner for Oracle. If you go to the Google, if you search with, okay, if you search with View Pearson team, okay, if you search with View Pearson team, this is the company, Pearson View. Go to this Pearson View and then team, you can able to search with your exam here team. Whatever the examination name that you have or code you have, you can able to search here and you can able to book your exam and you can able to write. Prior to COVID, Oracle never conducted examination online team. We used to go to Pearson test centers, basically across India or across globe. VU Pearson will have test centers in major cities team. We have to go to that office. We have to book the exam for whatever the module we want to write. And we used to write the exam physically there. But post-COVID team, Oracle came completely online. Now directly you can go to VU Pearson website. You can search for your module which you want to write and you can book your exam in the available slot. You can sit in your home and you can write, but that will be monitored on a video basis. Whether you are writing or someone writing on behalf of you, that will be monitored team. So this is the examination partner. Directly, if you go to Oracle University, there also you can book the exam team or you can apply from the VU Pearson website. What is the cost incurred, Kumar? For every module team, Oracle charging somewhere around 22,000 plus taxes. For every module, Oracle charging 22,000 plus taxes. And this is a non-refundable amount. Like example, you booked the exam for core HR module. You return the exam. Unfortunately, you have not cleared that exam. Minimum percentage is 70% team. You should get at least 70% in your examination. If you could not get this score, then this amount cannot be refunded. Only one attempt will be given to you. You have to clear that exam team. So for every module, Oracle charging 22,000 plus taxes. Okay. And you can able to book your exam from this VU Pearson website team. Okay. What is the mode of examination online? I am telling. What is the pattern of examination? See, prior to 2023, the examination pattern was completely choose the correct answers, like multiple options used to get team. Means what? A question, 4 to 5 options used to get team. Prior to 2023, every year Oracle will change their examination paper. Now we are in 24. I'm talking about 22, 21. During that time, completely the examination pattern was choose the correct answers type. For every module team, we used to get about 65 to 90 questions team. And for every question, we used to get 3 to 4 options, A, B, C, D. We used to give that. And 70% we should get. Negative marking will be there in that. But from last year, as many people are smart, they are manipulating the Oracle certification exams also in the market. What Oracle did was they introduced scenario-based questions team. Means what? Some are multiple questions in the paper and some scenarios Oracle asking. They are giving you one real-time scenario, giving the Oracle application access there and asking to configure there and show it. That is really a nightmare for the people who want to clear the certification. But yes, if you really well aware of the subject and you practiced well, then definitely you can able to clear. So basically, this is what the certification process team. Every module we have a certificate, not for the entire application team. And this is the approach. If anyone want to write the exam, if you people are currently working in any of the companies, IT companies team, you can check with your HR or you can check with your manager. Companies will bear the cost on behalf of you. They will give you free coupons for booking the exam and write on, to write team. You can check with that. And the most important point, everyone is more curious. Kumar, is it mandatory to write? Absolutely no. Simple. Certification in Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications is not a mandatory criteria to apply for the job, to get the job, and to work in the companies. Why and when these certifications will be helpful means sometimes when you are working, when you are switching from one project to another project team, your client in that project might be very particular, like they're asking or insisting the company, we want only certified implementation specialists in our project. During that time, your manager or your HR will be asking you to do the certification because client asking to submit all your team certifications like that. During that time, it might be required. Or in some companies team, every year performance appraisals when they are doing, managers might consider, not 100%, here and there, some companies, managers will consider certifications that what you have done in the year as one of the criteria in your performance appraisals team. A part of that, in the recruiting time or in the interviews time, never ever certifications are going to play any role, at least in India. If you are from US or another countries, I don't know. Not don't know, it's required because in US they are more fascinated towards certifications and all. But in India or in Middle East, these are not that important or not mandatory thing. So if you are learning and you want to start your career, forget about the certifications thing. It's not required. Once you get into the companies, once you start working 1 2 years, at any point of time, if your project manager asking you or insisting you to do the certification, at that time you can think about it. It's not that mandatory. But if anyone want to apply how that concept will work, to make you clear, I have explained this certification process team. What support that we are going to provide means, for these modules, we can able to give you dumps team. Dumps means what? Already the interview questions that, sorry, the certification question and answers will be readily available with us team. So maximum 80 to 85% when you are writing the exam, same questions will come. By practicing that dumps, you can able to clear the certification team. If anyone want to do, we can able to assist on that part. Okay. So this is about team Oracle's knowledge repository and Oracle Fusion applications certification process team. Now I will be introducing to you the Fusion applications team. So on which applications that you are going to work, I'm going to introduce to you that team. Yesterday I was telling you Fusion applications. Okay, Fusion applications currently offered purely on which technology team? On a cloud-based technology. So Fusion applications are offered on cloud-based technology. Correct. For example, we'll take with the scenario team. Okay. I have a company that is Tata Group. We all know, well-known Indian company, correct? Tata Group. So now Tata Group team purchasing this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. What is that? Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications from Oracle Corporation team. Okay. Tata Group now purchasing Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications from Oracle Corporation, because Fusion applications are owned by whom? Oracle. So here Oracle Corporation is the vendor and Tata Group is the customer or the client. Yesterday I told you, right? Client or the customer, company, vendor. So see team. Now Tata Group, in order to use this software application in their in-house HR activities, Tata purchased the product from Oracle team. When any client or the customer company buy the product from Oracle, how the Fusion applications will be delivered to them, in which form the application will be delivered. It's a completely cloud-based technology. Means what, team? Cloud-based means any software that is hosted over the internet is called as cloud-based, team. Any software that is hosted over the internet is called as cloud-based technology. So unlike earlier versions, team, on-premise models of EBS or PeopleSoft or any other technologies, team, Fusion is completely offered on a cloud-based technology. So when any company buy the product from Oracle in order to use in their in-house operations, application will be delivered just in the form of web link. How you know? This is the application, team. Just in the form of URL. See, HTTPS / some URL code is there. Login -EQJZ. Just like this, team. This is the Fusion application. If you copy it and if you go to internet, any browser you take, Google, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Edge browser, anything, just pass the URL, team, and search for that. You will be entering into the Fusion applications. See, you will be prompted for sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. Anywhere did I install this application in my laptop, in my personal computer? No. What is this? Just the application is delivered in the form of web link, in the form of URL. Just I copied in my Google Chrome, then system prompting me, sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. I have a user ID and password option, team. In my laptop, user ID and passwords I auto save with, team. That is why HCM_IMPL13 and some password is coming. Usually we have to provide user ID and password, team. And if you click on sign in, you can able to enter into the Fusion applications, team. This is what cloud-based technology means. The entire software is being maintained over the cloud database, team. Nothing being maintained in the on-premises. So any company, when they buy the product from Oracle, the Fusion applications will be delivered just in the form of URL. But you should not call it as a URL. When you are working in the real-time projects, you should know some terminologies, team, because I know you people will be showcasing some experiences and you are trying for the jobs. When you get into the jobs, when you entered into the team, whatever the terminologies that we are using there, people can easily identify whether we really worked or just we are managing the things over there. As such, we don't know anything. So let us try to understand some terminologies that what we have to use for calling Fusion applications or referring Fusion application. We can call it, team, basically just URL. These are layman terminologies. You can call it as URL, web link, okay, or the actual Oracle terminologies referring Fusion applications team, you should call it as instance, instance, or you can call it as environment, or you can call it as POD. Means what team? Platform, platform on demand. So these are the actual terminologies that you should use referring the Fusion applications whenever you are working in any company's team. If you want to ask your friend or colleague, can you please give me this client's application access? Can you please give me the environment of X client? Or can you please give me the instance of this client? Or can you please give me the pod of the client, like that team? URL and web links, these are regular layman terminologies. But the actual terminologies we should call or we should refer Fusion applications will be what? Instance, environment, or POD, platform on demand. Some people will call it as tenant also team. Usually we will not use in real-time projects team. Mostly we will use these three things: instance, environment, or POD, platform on demand team. I will tell you what is this POD on down. So these are the names. Yesterday, when I am explaining you the course features, what I kept here: access to private and public cloud instances. See, instances means I'm referring to Fusion application team. So these are the different names that we can able to call the Fusion applications team. Whenever we're referring the Fusion applications, we can call it with these names in the real-time companies when we are working. Okay. What are they? Instance, environment, or POD, platform on demand. Now, one more thing I want to tell you. Sometimes, team, when you are working in the companies in real time, if you got deployed in support projects team, you might be getting a chance to work in a pool. Means what? Like 5 to 6 resources as a team, you will be there in the company, and you people will be working for multiple projects team. Means multiple clients you might be working. During that time, how you can identify which company's link or which company's instance is what? In every client application. Now Tata purchased the license from Oracle team. This is the URL, let's say Oracle given to Tata. Let's say for another company, let's say Reliance also purchased it from Oracle. Cisco also purchased it from Oracle. For every customer, when Oracle selling the product to the company's team, in the URL, there will be a different team. Okay. This is, let's say, example, Tata. These 4 characters, if you observe team, E, Q, J, Z. See, E, Q, J, Z. The 4 characters, these are called as pod number, POD number team in the URL. So company to company, these characters will be different. For some company, they might follow other 4 characters. For some other company, when Oracle selling the product, they might follow some other characters team. See, this is, let's say, company A that Oracle sold the product. This is for company B. This is for company C. So for every company, when Oracle selling the product team, in the URL, these 4 characters will be differentiated team. See, here I have EQJZ. Here I have HYDT. Here I have KGHS. This is the unique pod number. Kumar, this is in character format. You are telling it as number. Yes, but still that we will call it as pod number. So every customer to customer, when Oracle selling the product team, in the URL, that 4 characters will be deferred team. So when you are working in the real-time projects team, if you are working in multiple projects, by looking at these 4 characters, you can identify easily which client's application is what. Okay. So that is something different in every project team. Actually, this is a demo instance team. Means For the training purpose, Oracle will give certain instances. That is why you are seeing here as login slash pod number ds slash fa oracledemos.com. But the actual environments of the client will end with oraclecloud.com. It won't come as oracledemos.com. At the end, it will come as oraclecloud.com. When we give you the private server access team, our private server, you can able to find the difference in that. These are demo instances. That is why these are coming as Oracle P demos, training environments team. So this is something important everyone should know before we actually starting the application training team. So whenever a customer buy the product, application will be delivered in the form of URL. Companies to companies, the 4 characters will be deferred team. And moreover, whenever we are working in the real-time projects team, you will be hearing the terminologies like production environment, development environment, test environment, like that. But that is too early to understand now. In our workshop session on implementation project, like from the point of placements, when we're taking up the workshop session team, which I have shown yesterday, like different phases of projects from kickoff meeting to go live. During that time, I will tell you what is test environment, what is production, what is development, where we will be working on initially, and what client will be using in day-to-day life. That is too early to discuss now. We will talk that later, team. So as of now, I want this basic understanding for everyone team. Now, let us see, getting into the system, how the Fusion applications look and feel will be there. What all basic home level functionalities we have in the system team, right? So as I told you, if you just copy paste that URL in any of the browsers team, this is the prompting page, sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. So when Oracle sold the product along with the application team, Oracle will give one user and password team with all the access to the application. So client will use that user ID and password to sign in into the system team. So once we provide user ID and password, here you have multiple options team, language. So basically Oracle applications are multi-language supported applications team. Let's say one of my client from UAE asking that, Kumar, I want to use the application in my own language, in Arabic. Okay, then I can choose, see, before signing in only language, I'm changing it to Arabic. See, everything changed because Arabic will be counterpart, right? I mean, sorry, not counterpart, it will be exactly opposite to us. So see, everything changed. Or if I want one of my client from Spain telling me that, Kumar, we want to use the application in Spanish. See, it changed it to Spanish. So where or whatever the countries, Oracle having a huge customer base, that many people using the Fusion application, Oracle supporting multi-language pack also team. So in which language that you want to use the system, the UI you can change accordingly while you logging into the system only team. See, that is language. Like every other application, we all pretty much know how to use Facebook, Gmail, Instagram, right? Twitter. When you logging into that, if you forgot the password, what you will do? Forgot password will be there. Here also same thing. When you are accessing the Fusion application, if you forgot the password, you can click on forgot password and you can able to choose the options here team. So see, forgot password, you have to give if you know the username or your email, because whenever an employee hired in the system by the HR team in real-time clients application, for every employee, email IDs will be captured. So you can give that email and you can choose whether you forgot your username or you forgot your password and submit it. So to the concerned email, system will send the notification team, like email will be triggered by the system to click on the link to reset the password and all team. So this is basic things. If you have your user access team, user ID and password. So I'm passing my user ID, that is HCM_IMPL13 password, and then I'm clicking on sign in team. Now my screen is loading here, right? Now I could able to enter into the Fusion applications team. See, this is the Fusion applications user interface. This is application that which you are going to be trained now. And this is application you are going to work in your coming future also. So this is the user interface UI of Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So we have couple of options coming up: sales, Redwood sales, service, me. See different sections I can able to see team. Under every section, again I have icons and subsections. This entire area team, we will call it as Springboard. What is that? This entire section, we will call it as Springboard. Okay. Whatever the sections that we have team, see my client groups is one section, procurement is one section, me is one section, and even if I click on the right side arrow towards the right pointing here, more options also will come. See, more options are coming up here to me. So every section, when I click on them, under every section I could able to see subsections under them. Correct team? So this entire area on the main home screen, we will call as Springboard, and every section, we will call it as functional area. My client groups is one functional area. Procurement is one functional area. Me is one functional area. And under every section, whatever the subsections you are seeing, under my client groups, I can able to see hiring, journeys, new person, absences, performance. These all are called as sub-functional areas. This is a springboard. In the springboard, you will have functional areas. Under the functional area, you will have sub-functional areas in the system team. Whatever that you are seeing in the springboard, on the left hand side, top left, there is something called navigator. 3 lines are there, right? This is navigator team. If you click on these 3 lines, a bar will open from left to the right. See, once I click on the navigator, a bar opened here team, from left to right. Whatever the functional areas and the sub-functional areas we are seeing on the springboard, that we are seeing here in the horizontal way, everything in the horizontal way, these all things we can able to access from the navigator also team. See, sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group. If you expand that section team, the functional area, under my client groups, I have all these things. See, hiring, person management, performance, profiles, goals. Same here. If I come to my client group, hiring, journeys, new person, person management, whatever we see in the springboard, the functional area and the sub-functional area, even you can able to access from the navigator also team. So this is called as navigator and this is called as springboard. And here team, you are seeing a logo coming as ABC. Don't worry. This is not the actual logo team. Whenever we got access team, now let's say team, Tata is the company, bought the application from Oracle. Now Tata Group given the project to us. Let's say we are working in Deloitte or Tech Mahindra. Tata given project to Tech Mahindra team. We are working in that company. We were deployed for that Tata project. We have to configure the client's application according to their requirement. So when the client purchased the license from Oracle team, application will come with all the functionalities. No data will be there. It's we who have to configure the system according to the client requirement team. Okay. So in real-time projects, when we are working team, on the left-hand side here, you will see the logo coming by default as Oracle. Okay, Oracle logo will be coming up team. But your client might be asking, hey, this is our system. We want our logo like this. We can able to customize these things team. That is part of our sandbox. Yesterday, when I'm explaining you the subject or concepts team, there is one concept called sandbox I told you. By using that, we can able to do in demo instance team, one of our prior batch students, okay, when they're practicing that classes, someone changed that logo to ABC, some logo from the internet they downloaded, then they uploaded team. So you can able to keep your client's logo here, okay, that we can see in our sandbox classes team. And team, in the system, in whatever the screen you be on, let's say I'm coming to my client group and I'm going to this new person team. So by the way, HRs, if they want to hire the employee in the system, they will come to that team, my client group, new person, and they will have all the tasks here team. Okay. What happened? Suddenly the application went down. Or my internet issues. Usually the applications will not be this slow because we are using the training environments team. Sometimes we might experience the downtime from the Oracle. That is the reason. See here, when we come to this new person team, we have different things. So in the Fusion system, in whatever the screen you are in team, if you click on this home button, the icon is what? Home icon. Like in our mobile also team, if you are in, you've been on anything, okay? You've been on anything. When you click on home button, you will come to the main home screen. Same with the Fusion system also team. In whatever the application you be on, okay? If you click on home button, you will be landing upon to the main home screen team. That is the home button in the system. That is the home button in the system. I will take other application team because the demo instance is very slow. Okay, or let's say it's came back. Okay. So that is home button team. So you be on any screen. If you click on the home button, you will land upon to the main home screen team. That is home button. Then here we have team star icon. What is this? This is favorites and recent items team. See, in our Google Chrome also, if you want to search your history, recently what screens that you navigated, you can able to check in your history right here. If you come to the history, similarly team, within the Fusion system, what are the recent screens that you navigated? If you want to check out team, you can come to the star mark, favorites and recent item. In the recent items, you can check. See, just now I went to my client group and new person. See, these are the recent screens that I have navigated team. Recent tasks or the functionalities I have navigated team. I can able to check here. Then I can able to list out some of the favorites here team. Means what? In Google Chrome also team, any web link you want to save for your future reference. We have bookmarking concept, right? What is bookmarking? These all are bookmarks of my browser team. You can bookmark, correct? Similarly, in the Fusion system also, let's suppose team, I have one employee who is working as a HR trainee. Every day in the company, that employee activity will be what team? He should perform the hirings in the system. Whoever hired in the organization, he should hire in the system. So every day he will come to my client group, he will go to new person, and then he will go to this hire an employee task team. That is his daily routine team. So rather than clicking on my client group, coming to the new person, and then picking the hire an employee task, simply team, you go to the task first of all, whatever the screen, go to the task team. We can able to add the task as a favorite here team. Click on hire an employee task team. This is for hiring the new employees in the system. We are going to see all these things in core HR module training team. So some of the functionalities I'm showing you. So once you click on this hire an employee, I will take our environment team. This is your training environment. This is what you people will be getting as part of the enrollment team for the practicing every day. So here I can go to my client group. I can go to new person. Okay. And then if I go to hire an employee task team, what I can do, this is my daily task, right? I can be on that screen, go to the star. I can go to favorite. Okay. Favorite, and I can add this task as a favorite team, add to favorite, hire an employee, and I can create one folder and I can group all that like my daily routine tasks. Okay. Something like this, I'm keeping team, my daily routine tasks. And this hire an employee task, I'm grouping in that folder team. Save and close. Now let's say team, whenever the employee comes in the morning, he has to perform every day the hiring task in the system team. So every day he will, after logging into the system, he will come to my client group, he will go to new person rather than going like this team. Simply if employee come here, favorites, see his folder, my daily routine tasks, hire an employee, directly he can land upon that task. See, hire an employee, see. So team, if you want to bookmark any of the setups or the tasks as your favorites team, this you can able to do it here team. Recent items means the history of the recent screens that we navigated. Favorite means bookmarking of our daily routine tasks, what you want team. And this flag with his watch list team, this is nothing to do as far as HCM is concerned. If client also licensed with financials, supply chain, and other products along with HCM team, this is related to finance and supply chain. You can ignore that. And here team, we have bell icon. What is this? This is notifications team. See, in the system, we have a concept called workflows and approvals team. Across every module, whatever the transactions being performed, you can send that via approval. Let's say team, my client is telling, Kumar, in my system, whenever HR hires any employee, the approval should go to concerned manager. Manager approves, then only that record should get created. Or in absence module, if any employee applies the leave, it should go to concerned employee's manager for approval. So all the managers and the HR's team, whatever the approvals triggering to them, they can able to see in this bell icon. This is the notifications area team. So from here, they can able to check that transaction and the approve, reject, everything they will get team. This is notifications area. And if I scroll down team on the Springboard area only, I will have news and announcements team. Like if organization want to share with us any announcements, any news, then they can able to publish all the articles here team that employees can able to check here. So these are some of the main home screen level functionalities team. And if you come here, this is your user area team, settings and actions button. If you click on this is settings and action. If you click on sign out, you can able to sign out from the system team. So every day after the work, employee before leaving the office, he can able to sign out from the system from here team. And then some basic personalization things we can able to discuss here team, like accessibility settings. If I go here, how the application view you want. Even in your mobile also team, if you go to settings and developer options, you will get right. You want the screen visibility in screen reader mode, default mode, color contrast, how you want for the application. These are basic customizable things. If you want, you can explore on that. And then team, here we will have set preferences team. If you come to set preferences here, we will have some general preferences with respective to the system, like regional. If I come to regional team, for the system, I can set up team. Our client is from which country, what is the date format that we want to use in the system, time format, number format, currency, time zone. Because wherever you go in the system, Wherever the date field you will see, when you capturing the date, whatever the format you are selecting, the data will be saved in that format team. Same with time format, number format, currency, time zone that which our client company is from, that all country specific, region specific settings you can able to give here team. And then language. See, while you entering into the application team, we have the flexibility to give the language option. While logging in, I logged in with English. Now I want to change my system language. I can come to the language, I can able to change team. I have a restriction in our private environment team, but in real-time applications, when you click on the drop down, all the country packs you can able to see here. You can able to switch your language of the application after signing in into the system as well team. That is language. Accessibility settings, that what we have seen here just now. The same will be coming up in the preferences also. Whatever we discussed here, within the set preferences also that will be their team. And as a employee, as a user, you want to reset your password team. You can come to the password and you can able to current password, new password and confirm new password and you can able to reset team for your user if you want to reset. So from HCM point of view, these things we have to be known team. Proxy, watch list, financial cloud, service, sales cloud. These are not part of HCM team. See, one important point I want to tell you here. What is that? Whenever we are working in the real-time projects team, now I'm telling that Tata is our client who purchased the license from Oracle. When a company buying the license from Oracle team, companies not only purchases HCM subscription team. Let's say Tata also want to use Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud, Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Cloud. So company or Tata or client, whoever it is team, along with the HCM, they also subscribing to finance and supply chain. It doesn't mean that for every product, different URLs Oracle will deliver. No team. Everything is integrated within the same application team. If our client using our HCM product, financials, supply chain, everything will be delivered within the same application team. So we have different functionalities for different modules team. See, procurement is there. This is part of SCM, supply chain management. Then my client groups payroll is there. These are our HCM related team. So all the products are delivered within the same application. So don't be in the assumption that for every product client will give different URLs or application team. No, everything will be licensed and provisioned within the same system. And then team, if you come to settings and action, this administration you will be coming in the next classes team, probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We are going to discuss this setup and maintenance, highlight flex fields, these all things. Here team, after you logging in as a implementation consultant, if you want to know what is the latest version of the applications team, if you come to settings and actions team, if you come to about this application, you can able to check out team. What is this application's latest version team? That all if you want, you can able to check from here. So these are some of the basic home level functionalities team. So today I want you to experience how the Fusion applications look and feel will be there. What are the basic functionalities within the system? So I will be concluding the topic here for today team. In tomorrow's session, I will be starting with the concept of security in the Fusion application team. Whenever we starting the training or in the real time, whenever you are starting the project team, the very first concept that everyone should know will be the concept of security administration team. So as part of our training curriculum also, we will be starting with the security module in the system. Here we are going to see how in the Fusion application, the user accounts, the access will be provisioned team. So this topic we will be starting from tomorrow team. Okay. So before taking up the questions, I want to confirm you that whoever the participants enrolled till evening before the session team, maximum for all the participants, our team have shared the access to the dashboard team. So the sessions dashboard, as I told you yesterday, you can able to log in into our triotechsoftwaretrainings.com, and then here you will have the live classes login. Don't click on e-learn login team, click on live classes login. Step-by-step procedure also shared with you over the email, what steps you have to follow. Click on live classes login, pass your user ID and password, what we have shared over the email. Click on login team. So you can able to see your course. For day 1 and day 2, probably you will be receiving the sessions as part of YouTube link. But starting from tomorrow, you might not be receiving the videos over the WhatsApp team. Every day you have to access in our website. So if you log in, you will have the enrolled course button here, and all your sessions will be placed in your course team. So everyday sessions you need to follow from here. So whoever the participants enrolled with the payments today, we have shared the access to everyone, and materials and instance also will be given to you. And also you people were added to the WhatsApp community team. So people who had to confirm the enrollments, I request everyone, please confirm the enrollments team. From tomorrow, new meeting link will be shared only for the enrolled participants, not for anyone else. Because I can see maximum people in the call confirmed. We have 65 plus confirmed enrollments. But here and there, 1 or 2 participants I can able to identify team. So whoever not yet confirmed, please confirm your enrollment team, so that tomorrow you will be getting new meeting link in the WhatsApp, whoever only enrolled team in the community, whoever added into that community team. So please do confirm the enrollments today or maximum tomorrow before the class, so that you will be getting with the new Zoom meeting link team. Now over to the questions. Anyone have any questions in today's topic team? So you can please unmute and you can ask me any questions if you have in today's class. Kishore, please unmute and you can ask me. I think you're raising the hand.
Yeah, actually, I just
Kishore,
wanted to
please.
ask, like, so you were saying that we can see the languages that can be used from the security console part, right? So just wanted to
Correct.
know how, if at all we wanted to restrict that language, we don't want to have the list of
Access
values
to
to
the
be
users.
no, the list of values to be displayed. We want to set the only English as a one language to be chosen.
You can do that one. We have a sandbox option. Through that, you can able to restrict that functionalities. Whatever the value you want to display, you can keep that. Rest of the things you can restrict. If you want to permanently hide that also, you can able to do that.
Thank you.
So any questions, team? Or am I clear with today's topic?
Kumar, actually, I
Yes.
joined the session lately. So, if I need to access the session, from when it will be available for me to, if I have registered, means I have
This
already registered.
session, this session will be uploaded tonight. People who are registered in your dashboard, by next
Okay.
half an hour, you will get the session uploaded.
Okay, fine. I'll check out after 10.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Other than that, materials and you said like the
We'll be sharing
document.
that. Drive
Okay.
is being consolidated. We will be sharing
Okay.
it. Probably by tomorrow, you will get that one. The application access and drive access will be shared tomorrow
Okay.
before the
Okay.
class. Okay. Yeah.
Sure.
So, team, assuming that everyone is clear with the topic today, if no questions, we can conclude for today, and tomorrow we'll start with our actual topics team. So day 1 and day 2, more or less, you can consider it as demos only. From tomorrow, we are starting the actual subject with the security administration team. So first 2 days maximum are free demos. From tomorrow, only enrolled participants will be allowed. So please confirm the enrollments so that you will be shared with the access and added you in the group team. So then we'll join back tomorrow and we'll continue team. Thank you everyone. Good night.
Sorry, Kumar, I got a
Yes.
question. I just lately
Yes,
pinged.
please, Tirumala.
Yeah, hi. This is Tirmal. Just want to ask regarding the
You are
instances.
Tirumala or you are Vikram? I think in the WhatsApp it
Tirumala.
is different name. Vikas or Vikram I have saved, I think. Yes, Tirumala, please.
Should be
You are from UK,
Tirumala,
right?
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically with the instances, I go one access. I think it's a private instance. It's EK, MK, I think. So in this instance, do we get refreshed? How frequently?
No. Private environment will not refresh. At least 6 months we can expect the data available. So your training part and your practicing part will be completed.
Okay. So whatever I'm doing, that stays on my instance, yeah?
End-to-end
Okay.
implementation you can do in that. If
Okay.
some of the other setups, if it is not supporting, then you can use the demo instances as a standby.
Okay. Got that.
Okay.
Yeah. One more question is regarding this configuration workbook.
The
Is it
materials will
shared?
share you because it's not
Yeah.
yet shared. Driver will
Yeah.
upload it by tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah. So I
Yeah.
got the all other documents were uploaded, but however, I can't see the configuration workbook. So that's what
No
because
problem. I will make sure that tomorrow you will be getting. Okay.
Yeah. So do we also get a demo instance as well, or just one instance?
Yeah. Demo will be getted. Will be shared with you as well.
Okay, sure. That's fine. That's it from me. Thank you.
Okay, then. Thank you, team. Let's join back tomorrow and we'll continue with our topics. Thank you, everyone.